was not only a practical tool, but also a symbol of Celtic identity. Its distinctive appearance and powerful sound set it apart. The instrument's association with warfare and spiritual practices further solidified its place in Celtic culture. While the Carnyx has not been widely used in modern times, its legacy lives on. The instrument has been the subject of much research and study, and its sound has been recreated through historical reconstructions. Today, the Carnyx is seen as a fascinating and important artifact of Celtic history, a reminder of a vibrant and complex culture that once thrived in Europe. Let's hear how it sounds like. But before this, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Here we go.